Hello friends, welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is how to convert number in odds in Microsoft Excel. In Excel, if you see, there is not any inbuilt function to do this. We need to create a custom function to convert number in odds. And here the function I am going to create has two types of conversion. One is the simple conversion of number to odd and the another is converting number to odd in currency format. Let me show you how it works. Here in this first table, I have some numbers and I need to convert these numbers into simple in odd format. For this, click on this cell, press equals, then put here number. You will see this number to odd function. Double click on this function to choose. Click on the number value, close bracket, press enter. Here you see this is converted into odds. 12 is given. Now if you drag this formula down, you will see all these numbers are converted into odd format. Like this 45.98 is converted into 45.98. So this is a simple conversion. The next one is currency conversion. For example, if you want to convert these numbers into currency format, then you can use this function like this. Press equal to, then put number. You will see this number to odds. Double click on this to choose. Click on the number value, put a comma. Then you have to put here the currency name. To put the currency name, type double quotation, then put the name of the currency. For example, US dollar. Then put double quotation. This currency name you can change according to your requirement. Then put a comma. Next, you have to provide the sub-unit name of the currency, that is cent for US dollar. So put here double quotation, cents double quotation, then put a comma. The last argument you have to provide here is the number of digits in the sub-unit, that is 2 in case of US dollar. Now close bracket, press enter, and here you can see this number is converted into currency format, that is 12 US dollar. Now if you drag this formula down, here you can see all the numbers gets converted. In case if the number has decimal values, here you can see 45 US dollar and 98 cents. So in this way the number gets converted into currency format. Next, let's see how we can create this function in Excel. To create the function, first of all you need to have the VBA code. The required VBA code is here in this notepad document. I'll put this notepad document download link in the video description section below, from where you can download this notepad document. After downloading, open this notepad, then copy the code given here. To copy this, select all this code, then right click, then copy. Go to Microsoft Excel sheet, then click on the developer tab, then Visual Basic. In the VBA window, click on this Insert tab, then Module. Here in this Module section, paste the code that you copied from Notepad. Right click, then click on Paste. Now close this VBA editor window. Now if you click on the cell, then press equal to, type num, you will see this number to odd function. Double click on it. Click on the number, close bracket, press enter, then you will get the number converted into simple odd format. To convert the number into currency, you can click on the cell, press equal to, use the number to odd function, click on the number, put a comma, then put the currency name, for example, double quotes US dollar, double quotes, comma, then put the sub-unit name, that is double quotes cents, double quotes, comma, then put the sub-unit digit, that is 2. Close bracket, press enter. Then drag the formula down for other numbers. Now to save this function in the workbook, we have to save this Excel workbook as a macro enabled Excel file. For that, click on the File tab, click on Save As. Here in the type of the file, you have to select this Excel macro enabled workbook. Choose the location where you want to save this file. Then click on the Save button. Now if you see in the desktop, here you can see the macro enabled version of the file is created. You have to open this macro enabled version of the file to use the number to odd function. So this is all about how we can convert numbers in odd in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.